Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Marty Balaam, and I am a teacher and researcher in compassion in Edinburgh University Medical School and Nursing Studies, and with partners locally and internationally. I also run the Compassion Salon, a compassionate initiative to provide a home and community around new and established authors and poets whose work relates to compassion and well-being. Compassion, I believe, is a game changer, and now more than ever, it gives us together across the world the possibility of a new, more equitable and kind future. And joining me is Dr. Kitty Wheater, the mindfulness chaplain at Edinburgh University. Kitty is a mindfulness practitioner and social and medical anthropologist, an all-round marvellous person. And yes, this is the wonderful Emilia Clarke. Emilia is a British actress and philanthropist who has earned international acclaim for her television, film, and stage roles. Emilia has her own charity, Same You, through which she is working to break the silence on brain injury and transform recovery care. Emilia is also the ambassador to the Royal College of Nursing and Nursing Now. Emilia shares the Salon's love of poetry and, like us, has been spreading the power of such to heal and support us during COVID through online poetry readings, though her readers, I have to say, are slightly more impressive than ours. So she has so kindly agreed to start us off with a poem today from the anthology Poetry Pharmacy Returns as a gift to us all. Thank you so much, Emilia. Over to you.
Thank you so much. Kindness by Naomi Shihab Nye. Before you know what kindness really is, you must lose things. Feel the future dissolve in a moment like salt in a weakened broth. What you held in your hand, what you counted and carefully saved, all this must go so you know how desolate the landscape can be between the regions of kindness. How you ride and ride, thinking the bus will never stop. The passengers eating maize and chicken will stare out of the window forever. Before you learn the tender gravity of kindness, you must travel where the Indian in a white poncho lies dead by the side of the road. You must see how this could be you, how he too was someone who journeyed through the night with plans and the simple breath that kept him alive. Before you know kindness as the deepest thing inside, you must know sorrow as the other deepest thing. You must wake up with sorrow. You must speak to it till your voice catches the thread of all sorrows and you can see the size of the cloth. Then it is only kindness that makes sense anymore. Only kindness that ties your shoes and sends you out into the day to gaze at bread. Only kindness that raises its head from the crowd of the world to say, it is I you have been looking for, then goes with you everywhere, like a shadow or a friend.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Emilia.
everyone.
So moving. Thank you so much for being here, and that wonderful gift of poetry, which, as we all say, just fills us up. And today, thank you for your kindness. So much appreciated.
Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful conference.
Cheers. Thank you. Bye, Emilia. Bye.